Now, let's talk about what happens after you trigger the mail. So, once you hit save in Salesforce and the record gets pushed over, the mail piece goes into what we call pending status. That just means it's waiting in the queue to be printed and mailed. Now, here's something important to know: we don't send mail to the printer immediately. Every day we do a batch send at 7:30 p.m. Eastern. That means you've got a window, a little grace period to cancel or make changes. So let's say you trigger a mailing by mistake and think, oh no, I didn't mean to send that. You've got until 8 p.m. Eastern to stop it before it goes to print. You'll also get an email notification around 7:30 p.m. letting you know that a mailing has been queued up. That's your alert, your last chance to say, uh-oh, and reach out to customer support if you want to cancel. Just make sure you have the job number handy. You can find that in Click2Mail's dashboard under projects or in the email itself. Now, let's talk credits real quick. Click to Mail Connect won't work unless your account has credit. So, if you're testing this out or setting it up for a client, make sure there's some balance on the account. If your balance drops below a certain threshold, say 100 credits, you can get a notification. Just toggle that option on in your account settings. And if you do run out of credit, nothing gets mailed. Everything just sits in failed requests until funds are added. The system won't charge you or push anything through until there's enough to cover it. You can top off your balance right inside Click to Mail or through the main website. Either way, once funds are available again, the system will pick back up where it left off. So, just to recap, you've got a daily 7:30 p.m. batch, you've got until 8 p.m. to cancel, and you need credit in your account for anything to go out. Up next, I'll show you how to review invoices, track jobs, and dig into delivery details.